Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of a new makeup removing product. I think these have been out for a while actually, and I just have not tried them yet, but my grandma got them for me for Easter. So just right off the bat, this is not an ad, this is not sponsored, I'm not getting paid for these opinions, these are all my own. But she got me face halos, and they are they come in a bag like this. There's 3 in this particular bag, and they are the modern makeup remover. They're supposed to reduce waste, non-toxic, reusable, and they are recyclable. So I'm trying to produce less waste. I think we all are, because the planet is dying. So I think this is much more ecologically friendly than buying like the individual wipes that you toss in the trash right after you're done. So these come in a resealable zipper bag, and they come with some instruction. Here it says, just add water, swipe to remove makeup, wash and reuse. And it gives you on here more tips. Works with warm or cold water. Water loosens your makeup, allowing the Halo Tech fiber strands, which are 100 times finer than a human hair, to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap makeup. Your skin enjoys healthy and invigorating clean in half the time. See how using only water with face halo fibers compares to other methods of makeup removal, which you have to go on their website to see. I will link that down below. No need to rub or scrub, simply wet and gently wipe off. May be surprised with how much makeup comes off. This is because the fibers hold on to this, blah blah blah. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate with water, hold on for extra 10 seconds, hand wash with soap and water after each use or between machine wash cycles to release the removed makeup. Machine wash with similar colors, recommended 200 wash cycles before replacing. So with that being said, so I would say like 200 faces of makeup before replacing, and you get 3 in here. So that would be let's do math, 600 faces of makeup. There are not 600 wipes even in a double pack of the Neutrogena wipes. There are only 30 in one pack. So these are supposed to be way better for the planet. So I'm going to go wet one of these and come right back, and we will start to take off this makeup. Okay, so this is wet. I don't know if you can see, there's no water coming out of it. So I'm just going to do like half my face, and we'll see. I did take my eyelashes off already. It didn't say to. That was, what is going on? That is personal preference, just because I want to save those lashes and use them again. So let's see how much this takes off. Just gonna put it on here. I am gonna hold it since it is some heavier makeup, and we're gonna swipe. Whoa! There's like nothing on my eyelid. There is like some mascara still, but obviously it's on the underneath. That's wild. So I'm just gonna go, I'm just swiping, like I'm not doing anything special. I am leaking water all over myself. I know I said I was gonna do half the face, but I'm literally just like so shook that this is. Let's see how it does with the lips. This is not liquid lipstick. I would like to try it with liquid lipstick, but we'll see. That's crazy. Like there's so much makeup on, and by the way, these little edges are not like, they don't hurt at all. Wow, I had so much makeup on too. Like I had so many primers. Let's see if it takes the brows off. Okay, the brows, it needed a couple swipes, but I feel like that's because there's hairs in there, and now I have water dripping down my face. So this is one side on half my face. I do have quite a bit of makeup on, so I feel like I'm gonna have to do like a rinse and you know, come back sort of thing. What's crazy to me is that this is actually taking like all of the lash glue off, and the velour lash glue tends to stay in my lashes for like a week after, no matter how hard I try. So this is insane to me. Like, I feel like there's obviously like still some makeup, but this took off so much. Like, if you're just a person who wears like a light layer every day, this is like all you would need. You would not need wipes anymore. This is crazy. And I should mention, when you get them, they come individually wrapped. So they each come in like this little sleeve, so you can store them all in here, and like your dirty one or the one you're using can be separate, so you don't like mix them up. That's nuts. Like, look, that's all the lipstick and everything. There's like lash glue on there. I just want to keep like wiping it off because I feel like there's no way it took it all off, but there's literally no, like, there's nothing being added. So now I'm gonna just take, I do have a makeup wipe here, and we're gonna go very little. Like, obviously I'm gonna wash my face after this, but I mean, that's, here, I'll move my finger out because I feel like my finger is adding some pigment. That's from like my nose crease. There's just such a small bit here. I'll do over my eyes so you guys can see. Nothing. My face feels clean. What? Yeah, so for my review of this bad boy, I would say it's amazing. Now I'm gonna go wash it real quick and we'll see how it cleans up with a little bit of soap and warm water. Okay, so I have returned from washing. As you can see, my hands are still wet. There's a little bit of lipstick left, but obviously I didn't throw this in the like washing machine. So I think when I put this in the actual washing machine, it will take that right out. I mean, like, makeup stains, like, just because pigment stains your clothes, it stains any sort of fabric. But yeah, just a little bit right there. And wait, there's a slight bit of foundation left. I just may not have washed it all out completely, but it feels like it dries fairly quick. But yeah, like, this is good to go to use again to get it all off. So face halos are available at facehalo.com. I'm sure somewhere else. I'm going to let this dry, and then I will store it back in this bag because I think this bag is great for travel. You can just zip them up and take it with you, especially if you have like your mom and your sister going and you don't want to pack like 3 packs of makeup wipes or something. You can just use these. So easy, so much less wasteful. Get them for the whole family. Yeah, again, not sponsored, just got these for Easter and wanted to review them. So I hope you guys enjoy. These are going to be my new makeup removers. Maybe I'll do a nightly routine and incorporate these with like my face wash and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy. My skin feels so soft. It feels like it exfoliated a bit as well, so that's really nice. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you check out my social media links down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.